You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 1,578,912,246. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Carry 1 to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 5 equals 11. Carry 1 to the 100,000s place. 1 plus 4 equals 9. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Carry 1 to the 10 millions place. 1 plus 8 equals 17. Carry 1 to the 100 millions place. 1 plus 7 equals 15. Carry 1 to the billions place. Write 1 in the billions place, and so the final result is 1,578,912,246.